Whether you cook for yourself, family, or loved ones, we understand what you all face through the process. If you want to make the best burgers, meatballs, or sausage, you need to try grinding your meat. You can buy meat grinders of different types and sizes, ranging from small hand-operated grinders to almost industrial-sized grinders for processing large quantities of meat. With a good quality meat grinder, you can choose which cuts of meat you like and how coarse the meat will be, and more importantly, take more control of the actual food preparation. So if you're looking for one, then we can help you with some of the best on the market. Take a look at the description below to see all the featured products and their buy links. Let's begin our list with the Gourmia GMG525. With the powerful and easy-to-use PrimePlus Meat Grinder from Gourmia, you can create a perfect grind for every cooking occasion. It is made with a long-lasting, solid material, a copper 800-watt motor, metal gears, and stainless steel blades to ensure proper grinding. The easy-to-use 3-way safety switch makes this machine so simple to operate. This grinder comes with a variety of 3 different blades for a choice of fine, medium, and coarse cuts. On the other hand, all parts remove for easy cleaning and lock into place for sturdy operation. Moreover, it powers through the harshest slabs of meat for fresh, flavorful mince, sausage, and kibbe. Next up on the list, we have Home Easy Meat Grinder. This food grinder is equipped with 4 stainless steel blades and 2 modes to choose from. You can chop, grind various ingredients such as onions, meat, ham, garlic, onion, small herbs. Also, this electric meat grinder comes with real power 350 watts, which is more efficient and fast. Its 4 stainless steel blades 4D design allows the upper and lower blades to chop food from every angle of 360 degrees evenly. Plus, it is equipped with a stainless steel bowl and 2-liter capacity. Compared with glass bowls, it is stronger, healthier, and shockproof, ensuring durability. This unit can be disassembled, and the accessories are easier to clean. Moreover, the chopper comes with a non-slip mat, and you can put the bowl on the mat. However, the joint connection between the blade and the main body is made of stainless steel, unlike other plastic ones. Thus, the blade is not easy to break off. The LHS Manual Meat Grinder has a sturdy suction base to ensure to keep this meat grinder in place while you are using it. Its blades are fully enclosed, so it is incredibly safe to use. The ergonomic handle design and robust body with non-slip bottom rubber make grinding smooth and safe. The grinder comes with a meat pusher to push meats into the grinder to reduce waste and save time. It uses 2 different size cutting plates for coarse and fine grinds of meat, and uses 4 different shapes of cookie cutters for cookie dessert. With its transparent and safe design, seeing the grinding process of food, you can enjoy the pleasure of cooking. Plus, grinding by yourself to ensure the freshness of the food and small and delicate design is perfect for a trip. The LEM 17791 stainless steel 0.5 horsepower electric grinder is the perfect size to grind a few deer a year. The large stainless steel meat pan of this grinder measures 12 1/4 inch by 9 1/8 inch by 2 1/4 inch deep. The Big Bite technology allows the auger to take an extra big bite of meat and then move it into the grinder head quicker than other grinders. You can use the front storage drawer to store plates, knives, and tubes conveniently. The rifled head design initiates an enhanced second grind to practically eliminate stomping and improve sausage stuffing. Altogether, this grinder features include a stainless steel motor housing, all metal gears with roller bearings, a built-in circuit breaker, and a 0.5 horsepower induction motor that is permanently lubricated for quiet operation. The next product on the list is the Bbday electric meat grinder. With a durable and noise reduction all-Cooper engine, whose power up to 350 watts, it can mince 3 pounds of meat per minute. The parts touched with food are made of 100% food-grade material, which can prevent the contamination of ingredients. Also, it is made of 3-layer 420 grade hardened stainless steel, thickened aluminum alloy, and high-end PP7 ABS. Plus, the whole meat mincer owns anti-corrosion and durable quality actively. You can make the mouth-watering burgers, meatballs, meatloaf, sausages, and other meat blends at ease with the multi-attachment. Its reverse button is used to unclog the unit, and the components of this meat grinder are easy to disassemble, combine, and clean. Finally, at the top of the list, we have STX Turbo Force 3000. This meat grinder comes standard with a 3-speed push-button control panel. You can select slow, which is used for stuffing sausage, or high, which is used for standard meat grinding. Also, it features a high-capacity meat tray that can easily hold over 3 pounds of meat. The feeder tube opening measures over 2 inches in diameter for high-volume meat delivery. Combine these features with the advanced variable intake auger, and you can quickly grind over 250 pounds of meat in an hour. Grinder's cutting blades are manufactured from 304 food-grade stainless steel and can be washed in the dishwasher. The diameter of the sausage stuffing tubes are 3/4 inch, 5/8 inch, and 1/2 inch, and come with an adapter for stuffing with any of the 3 sizes. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up to show your support, and last, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Have a great day.